Where am I?
You are inside of my fortress.
The ghost cat. How could you do this?
You see, Haru, with you captured, I will continue to build my own personal cat kingdom to rule the entire universe.
Well, that's not gonna happen once Tom is around.
Well, he better hurry to rescue you, otherwise you'll be taken to the sleeping inferno.
The what?
There's no use of escaping.
Oh, Tom, where are you?
Baron, you sure this is getting us anywhere?
Of course, Tom has planned this rescue mission for us.
He's sure giving us a one huge mission. By the way, do you guys hear the fire?
Oh dear, Haru, please be alive to me.
And that fire is inside of the room. Well, this looks like a job for that channel mascot.
Yes, if Haru falls into the fire, she'll be burnt alive. This is a job for Tomizu!
Oh, I've just said that.
Yeah, perhaps your son shouldn't give up quite yet, Rob. Hope that the ghost cat doesn't know what I'm up to. Something has approached from the ship, just as I expected. Just you wait, humans. Uh-oh.
What is it, Baron?
The ghost cat has sent us. We need to get to higher ground.
Roger that.
How am I supposed to get in? Yes, just what I needed.
Tom!
Haru, I will catch you, and I'll never let you go again.
You came back for me.
Of course I've come back. Good work, guys. We've made it to the top.
I see, but where's the ghost cat?
Right beside you. It's time to die.
He's coming. Don't let him in.
Have a taste of these. No, my one punch.
Dad, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
No more games.
Do you want to find out?
No.
You guys from now on are finished.
Goodbye, Dad.
Goodbye, Niamh.
Die! No point of harming Tom's family. Who are you? Some cat that defeated a king 2 decades ago? I am the Baron, and we've come for Haru. What? Haru, she's been locked unguarded.
The ghost cat's back inside.
Tom, what the heck are you doing here? You see, Ghost Cat, I'm Tom Moore, the star of Fighter Bros production, and I can do whatever I want. How dare you! Give Haru back! Not this time. Brace yourselves!
You heard him.
Here it comes.
Haru, come on!
Whoa!
Tom, Haru, you've made it out alive.
Thanks for saving me, Tom. It really means a lot.
You seem to be alright, but what about...
He's still alive.
How is that possible?
At last, it has come to this final battle.
Armageddon has begun.